Today I'm going to show you guys how I made this sick BMW lamp from scrap metal I had laying around the shop. Alright, so I came up with all these parts for my scrap. Yes, I actually had an extra set of brand new rotors that I ordered wrong. I went and bought these electric parts from the hardware store, and I'm going to see what we can make out of it. I knew I wanted the oil cap to be the light switch, so I figured that was the hardest part, so I did that first. I did it by adding this ring onto the bottom of the oil cap, and then this rotary switch onto this bracket that held it right underneath the oil cap. Then when you stick the oil cap, which I got rid of the little fins that hold it, now it's activating the rotary switch. Now we've got this plate drilled. Look for a couple of 6mm. There we go. Okay, we got this gas can filler neck tube here mounted to the bracket with a hole for the wiring to go through. So that'll be our actual positionable neck for the light. So now all we got to do is run the wiring through and start wiring the lights. All right, got our wiring set. We got our sockets added on. So let's go ahead and get these sockets wired and test it out. Come see this lamp and dozens of other art pieces at my art show Machina at the Frank Brockman Gallery, all of October. Okay, we finally got it all wired up. We got our bulbs in, we got our switch attached, we got it wired through the cover, through the bracket, through the tube, through the mount, gear, and it's plugged in so we can finally test it out. Yeah, man, that looks awesome. Nice white light. All right, now onto assembly. Check that out. Now all we gotta do is mount it to the last part. We're done. And I'll be honest, this is truly a dream project I've had in my head for years, and finally did it. So that filler neck into the timing gear, into the rotor, valve cover with the oil cap, light switch. How freaking awesome is that? If you guys like this video, make sure to check out some of my other cool videos in these lists below. Give me a subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, let me know what you thought in the comments below, and I'll catch you guys next time.